How to delete folders in Outlook 2016. This video assumes you already have an existing email account and it's configured in Outlook. Now let's learn how to delete folders from Outlook. Mouse over the folder you want to delete. Then right-click the folder and click Delete Folder. Note that if there were any messages within the folder, they will be deleted with the folder. If you deleted a folder by mistake, or weren't aware that there were messages in the folder when you deleted it, you can recover them easily. Deleting folders and their contents only moves them to the trash folder. You can just as easily move them from the trash to your inbox. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to delete folders in Outlook.